I'm here with Dr. Brian Payne with Veterinary Pharmaceutical Solutions, and thank you for joining us,
Yeah,
Brian.
thanks, Rachel, for having me.
We're going down the pharmaceutical path here. What makes Healicin an effective solution for treating tail bites and shoulder sores on pigs?
So Healicin ABF is our second introduction to the wound care market. It's really about the ingredients that are in it. There's multitude of ingredients, but they're really going back and looking at the more natural way of healing. The keys to it are making sure that we allow granulation tissue to come over that wound and to heal it rather than just disinfect it.
And how are producers using Healicin on the farm, and what kind of results are they seeing?
The introduction of Healicin actually came from a request from a customer for sow shoulder sores. That's where we developed it from. They needed a better tool to do it. So we have a lot of people using Healicin for sow shoulder sores, but we knew that there was also an ask for other customers on tail biting. We were hopeful that we could develop one tool to heal the same types of wounds, but deter pigs from further tail biting. So we actually add an additional ingredient in there. We can think of it as a bittering agent that once that first pig bites down onto it, they don't want to go back to that pig.
And what results are they seeing in the Healicin out on the farm?
So on the sow shoulder side, we've seen a lot of improvement in wounds healing. We've done research that's been able to show that on an individual sow, those wounds are healing faster than other treatments that have been given. We're also seeing that these wounds are not reopening after we're applying the Healicin. For tail biting, we've just completed a study that we've shown a 20% improvement in the tail bites that are already present once you go in there. And then we're also seeing a 30% reduction in new tail bites within the pens that have received the Healicin.
What sets Healicin apart from the other wound care products out there on the market?
I think one of the leading wound care products is a great disinfectant. So iodine is a wonderful disinfectant, but what it's not allowing is that granulation tissue to come over. A Healicin is nutritive in the fact that it keeps the wounds moist. It provides the right nutrients in order for that granulation tissue to form. And I think that's why we're seeing those.
Veterinary Pharmaceutical Solutions, you guys are kind of unique in the marketplace that you really hone in and help producers address issues that they may have on their farm. Let's talk about those services that your company offers.
Yeah, absolutely. All pharmaceutical companies are out here to help the vets provide solutions. Where we fit is, I would say, we're kind of a last choice effort where solutions are not being found from other pharmaceutical companies. Compounding is what we do. So we're taking other FDA approved drugs. They may be from other species, they may be from human side. We're compounding those into solutions that can be topically applied or orally administered through the drinking water to provide that solution. So it's not an FDA approved product. We compound from FDA approved products to provide that solution that vets and producers aren't finding today.
And Brian, if people want to find out more about your company or the services you offer or some of the things we've talked about today, where can they find you?
Where they can find me, the best place probably is go ahead and email me at bpayne, Payne, at vetfarm, or they can go to our website at veterinarypharmaceuticals.com.
Well, thank you for catching up with us at World Pork.
Absolutely. Thanks for the opportunity.